Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be answering a question that I get a lot, and that is what kind of radios do we use and what's the setup? For us, we use a lot of different setups with rugged radios, so I'm going to show you one of our most common setups that we use, and that's in our rentals because it's super easy. The guests come in, they jump in the unit, they go do their tour, they can use that radio, they get out, they go about their business, and we're ready for the next person. It's not like, say, a unit where we hook up our helmets to it, or maybe it's a handheld unit. You know, it's about ease and quality, and that's the biggest thing is whenever these people are in the machines, you want it to be easy to use and you want it to be good quality. So here's the setup we're using in all of our rentals. The 25-watt GMR, and this is what it looks like. This kit that we get here comes with your radio, your mic, all your wiring, your mount, and then also you have either a magnetic mount or this mount here that screws onto the bottom. I don't use this one too much. We will use the antenna cable out of here, but we won't use the magnetic mount. Just not a fan of it. I don't like it. I don't think it really works for our situation. And you put that thing on top, and if you got a low-hanging tree, next thing you know, that thing is gone. I really like this mount right here, and that's what we put in all of our rentals. So let me show you real quick in the Defender how I installed it. This is our typical setup that we run in our rentals. We have a radio here. We have a mic. They can pick it up and talk. It's magnetic. Typically, our guides are the ones doing all the talking, but if somebody's having any issues with their machine or questions, it's great that they can just pick it up and talk. And also, if you've got groups like bachelor parties or team building experiences, they can talk back and forth and razz each other. It just makes the ride a lot more fun. And then over here, we have our speaker. We have this speaker down here. That's a rugged speaker. That's waterproof. And we put that there. Even though there's a speaker on top of the radio, it just sounds really good, and we want to make sure that everybody can hear what we're talking about, whether it's the history or maybe it's oncoming traffic. So this here's our typical rental setup. It's a really good, clean, easy setup. So if you're looking for something super easy, this is a great option. When we come back here to the back of the unit, there's a bracket that I make for the antenna itself. It's out of the way and it's not up above the vehicle, so if you do happen to catch a tree or a limb, you know, it's pretty good. It's back tucked inside the body of the machine. So you want to take care of your antenna and make sure it's grounded out right, and you'll have some good reception. Well, there you go, guys. There's a real quick video on the radio setup we use in our rentals. If you got any questions, feel free to hit me up. We'll see y'all. Take care. Have a good one.